Hello, dear brother and sister. I'm very happy also to meet you every day and share with you the many secret. And today I want to give you the secret is two secret. The first you should to shit it, and the second you should to take bath with. Inshallah, I'm going to explain you. Firstly, you see, it is two secret. Firstly, you are going to write what you see in your text, and in the meme you see in the meme, you should to put here the name of the person of his mother's name, not your name, the name of the person only, this name and his mother's name, all the meme, all, and you are going to close the meme, and the first you should to sheet it, you should to fold it, you should to fold this paper, the first paper, to fold this paper and keep it with you, and the second you should to take bath with. So you should also to, in the second secret, you should to make your you should to make the name of the person and his mother's name also, not your name. Okay, it is here. The second, you are going to make the name of the person and his mother's name, and you should to take bath with this. I will meet you tomorrow, inshallah. Goodbye.